Welcome to this week 2-Minute Tuesday with Bala. We're going to look into Azure DDoS. Before we get started, I'll just talk you through what exactly is DDoS. Let's get started. So what is DDoS? Basically, whenever there are multiple devices that's being hacked by the cyber attacks, and they use those devices to flood your network. So basically, there will be multiple devices trying to hit your website continuously without a break. And then by the time you realize that your sites are already down. So that's the basic thing. How do I protect myself from that? You have DDoS protections. And in this case, we are going to look into Azure DDoS protection. So the main advantages of having Azure DDoS protection is it's always on protection. You're really not going to be monitoring it continuously with your security team or anything. So Azure is going to do that for you. They'll be monitoring 24/7, and then it is automatic instant mitigation. So whenever there is an attack happening, though, instantly it mitigates itself. And then it has comprehensive policies where in this case, whenever there is an attack happening, then the policies are fine-tuned to overcome those attacks. Adaptive real-time tuning is something really important here. So it is going to intelligently profile your network. So how do I know when there is a DDoS attack happening? So you really don't know when it's happening. So it has to be continuously profiling your network to see if there is any anomalies. As soon as it sees an anomalies, and then automatically fine-tunes its profile to take care of those issues. Integrated telemetry is really used for this to mitigate. So in this case, it is real-time monitoring your traffic. So that also gives you a visibility of what's going on. And then it's going to automatically send alerts whenever there is a issue happening. And then it has a rapid response team, which automatically takes care if there is a attack actively happening with your network. So there are two protection options here. So you can protect it at the IP level. So if you have an external facing, public facing IP, then you can protect that IP. Anything traffic that comes to that IP will be protected. So that is one way you can do it. The other option you have is like the DDoS network level protection. So this is something I would highly recommend to use. This network level protection is something that you enable at your subscription level, which is like a top of your subscription. And this could be utilized across all the resources available within your subscription. So basically you can have a virtual machine or a virtual network or a web app or anywhere you can add those resources by one click, adding them to this DDoS protection plan. Then immediately there, it's more like a flip switch. You turn it on and then you are fully protected. Thanks everyone for watching. Next week, I'll come up with a new topic. See you next week. Thank you.